Hello, welcome. So, today I will be showing y'all where did this one come from? I don't know. So, Hurricane Aaron's going like that, but then this one is going like that, I believe. This one don't mind my keyboard, I have to click. That one I don't know. So, yeah. This one, that. I don't know, I can't draw. How do I erase? Oh, here it is. Alright, so that one. So, Hurricane Aaron is going like that right now. Well, I still think it is a Cat 4. And right now it is moving up, but later on, actually it's going like that. So, I'll just draw whatever. Because right now I'm trying to figure out how to use this. I'm new to using a computer. I just got one. Well, not just, but whatever. So, Hurricane Aaron is going that way. But it's gonna hit around here, nearby Washington. So then this guy down here is gonna go through there. Oh, my fingers hurt. Alright, so there's the eye. I'm just gonna draw whatever. There's one of the outer band rings. There's the outer bands. As you may see, it goes into Florida. Right now, there's rainstorms all over. I'm just gonna put rainstorms as blue. So, basically, up here, wait, I should probably do a different color, because you can barely see Wyatt. So, throughout all up here, is in the zone where it will impact, and also maybe like a bit right there. I don't know. So yeah, it's most likely finna impact from there. It's gonna impact quite a bit. So while this guy later on right here will become a tropical storm. Until later on up the path. Keep in mind, these are my opinions, so if somebody wants to tell me that I'm wrong, they can. As you may tell, I'm using the National Hurricane Center. So then it's gonna go like that. So that puts all throughout that area. Here, let me just get rid of that path. So this one, I still don't know, but I'm guessing that it's gonna follow like that, and it's most likely gonna go up like that. So yeah, I'm a turbo artist, we know that. So basically, if anything, this one can turn, but most of the models are showing it going like I drew out most of the models, but there is a few other models showing it going like for some reason that one goes all the way up there. But as you may tell, they all follow a path over Florida. So yeah. Well, that is it, y'all. Well, until I get more news about this, and maybe even that, I don't know. I watch the Weather Channel a lot, and also a few other meteorologists. So yeah. Well, bye.